Let's meditate together. And you can begin by closing your eyes. And as you close your eyes, take a moment to notice what is present. You can notice the mind and the activity of the mind, or the thoughts that are present. You can notice the body and notice how comfortable you feel. And if you need to move or adjust the body, please do. You can notice any feelings or emotions or physical sensations that are present. And then you can notice the breath. And just begin to follow the breath as it moves inwards and outwards. And as you notice the breath and observe it, my encouragement is not to change the breath, but to simply observe the breath as it moves inwards and outwards, in the same way as you would observe the ocean and the tide moving inwards and outwards on a beach. And as you watch the breath, you can begin to welcome in the mantra, Soham. And so on the in-breath, you can repeat the word so. And on the out-breath, you can repeat the word hum. So, hum. So, hum. And continue repeating the mantra as it accompanies the breath moving inwards and outwards. And if the mind begins to wander at any point, or you become distracted by thoughts, simply bring your awareness to the breath and repeat the words and the mantra. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. And so we'll drop into silence now and continue with the mantra and the breath at your own pace. so hum, so hum, so hum. Allowing the mantra to guide you gently, allowing the breath to soften with each repetition. So hum, so hum, so hum. So hum, so hum, so hum. So hum, so hum, so hum. And very gently, as you continue to repeat the mantra, you can place a smile on your face. And notice how it feels to smile. Notice how it feels to be. Notice how it feels to acknowledge that I am one with the universe. I am creation. I am that. And now take a moment to bring to mind anything that you're grateful for in this moment. You can recall as many things as you like, or you can recall one thing. Allow gratitude and thankfulness to fill up your heart in this moment. Whilst recognizing this truth, I am one with the universe. I am one with creation. I am that. And whatever you brought into your mind, place that into your heart space. And you can go ahead and take a deeper breath all the way in. And then exhale and send that love and that gratitude out to the world. And then you can take another deep breath all the way in. And again, exhale this love and energy out into the world. Let's do one more deep breath all the way into the heart space. And exhale. Take a moment to say thank you. And very slowly and very gently, with a smile on your face, if it feels good, you can begin to bring yourself back into the physical body in this moment. You can move very gently, you can yawn, you can stretch. You can smile. And just take your time and allow yourself to remain present as you come back into the space.